Alrighty, hi guys, I'm Mijaelle. Welcome to my school, Musical Muse Development. I will be launching on Patreon at the beginning of June, end of May. So I will be giving away some free time to the first couple of people that sign up. For details, please check out the description below. But pre this, I am releasing some free hint and tips and free lessons, basically music lessons, and I will be launching music theory videos, arrangements of songs with tab, etc. and stuff like that for guitar, piano, and obviously singing too. So right now, let's get into singing. Alrighty guys, the first exercise I'm going to show you is to help you with your diaphragmatic breathing. Okay, if you were struggling to understand or weren't sure if you were doing it right in the previous video, the diaphragmatic breathing, this is just a quick how to test yourself, right? Okay, so I want you to lie on your back, put something heavy on your belly. You can even put something heavier than this. Alrighty. Breathe in diaphragmatically, so make your belly bigger. Exhale. Breathe in, push the book. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Now, I'm going to do it incorrectly just to show you. I'm going to breathe from my chest and you'll see the difference. See how my chest is lifting but the book isn't. And also feels really tight. And you know you're not doing it right. Put on your favorite song while you're doing this. Watch a movie or something like that. But what I'm saying, put on a song so you can sing along to it, right? Breathe in from your belly every time you breathe in. Test yourself, right? I'm just going to sing something off the top of my head. Whatever. So, I was waiting a long time till I found the one I care for. He came along in such a brilliant way. Now I know I love him. Okay, whatever. But that's the whole point. Alright, have fun with that one. Now we're going to go on to a really good core exercise. Okay? This one builds a certain muscle in your belly that'll help you hold long notes, hold stable notes as well, and hit high notes. Your belly needs to be tucked a little when you hit your high notes, and also when you hit long notes, you have to keep the same tension in your belly throughout the whole long note, otherwise you hear speed bumps. For example, this is me doing it incorrectly. That's me just going really crappily with my belly, not really doing much, right? But if I want to hold a long note and keep equal tension in my belly, I have to set it to like a gear and keep that gear, whatever that gear is, it doesn't matter, but hold that tension. Okay, so that's why you need to do this exercise. Instead of wasting your time on a whole bunch of different exercises, do this one core exercise, and then at least you know you're building up that particular muscle that you need, right? Otherwise, you can do swimming and yoga to increase lung capacity and core strength, right? So, I want you to put your hands like this, right, to support your coccyx under your back, you know, close to your bum, alright? Keep your neck and your shoulders down. Imagine that your feet are going up to chair height. Then you're going to, with straight knees, do a wide circle as wide as you can and touch at the bottom but hover. Okay? I hope you can see me, but I'm hovering. Alright? Low. Okay? Then you go back up through the middle, around, and touch. We're now going to try to do up to 20 on this side, and then we're going to change direction and do 20 on the other side. If you can't make it 20-20, don't stress. Start with what you can, even 5-5. If this completely hurts you or you feel like your chest is lifting the whole time, ask a friend to pin down your shoulders for you, or change the exercise. Don't hurt yourself. Rather bend your knees and do that kind of exercise for now, just to increase your core strength first. Right, so let's get going. 1, 2, 3. Up and around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs straight. 6. Wide circles. 7. Up, touch 8, up, touch 9, 10, 10 more, 1, 2, 3, keep going high and low, 4, 5, hover, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Take a little breath. Now we're going to change direction. So I'm going to demonstrate first. I'm going to start with that hover position, go around, up to chair height, down the middle. I point my toes, I don't flex them, but you can flex them. Okay, I don't think it's going to make much of a difference. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Outside ring, down the middle. 2, 3, 4, still legs straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up, down, 13, I think I missed one, 14, if I did, sorry, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One more just in case. There you go. And that is that.